Now one word problem. We'll see what we have to do if it is addition or subtraction. The question goes, there were 11 deer in a zoo. How many deers were there in a zoo? 11 deers. 9 more joined in. 9 more joined in. How many deers are there now? Now what did you understand from this question? You tell me. There is no altogether, there is no sum, there is no total. How will you identify if it is addition or subtraction? See, he is telling there are 11 deers in a zoo. Okay. The next is saying 9 more. Suppose these are 11 deers. Okay. 9 more joined them. What is now? So word here he used is more. 9 more joined them. Okay. So 9 more means what we should do? They are adding. They are combining. So we have to put them all and count them together. So what is putting together and counting? It is addition. So here we have to do is addition. Understood, children? If they have given more, sum, total, in all together, we will do addition. Now start writing the statements for this problem, word problem. Number of deer in a zoo. What is the first statement? Number of deer in a zoo is equals to, what is the number here? 11. So write 1, 11. What is the next statement he gave? 9 more joined in. So number of deers, what you can write is joined. Okay. Okay. Is equals to 9. See children, in, I'll explain it again. Red marker. So while reading the question, I'll tell you, there were 11 deers in a zoo. The first statement will be here. This is the first statement. First statement. You can identify it as first statement. 9 more joined in. This is the second statement. We'll write the second statement. Okay. So in this word problem only you can mark the first statement and write the statement as number of. Number of deers in a zoo, 11. Number of deers joined second statement is 9. How many deers are there now he is asking. So number of deers in all you can write. Or you can write number of deers all together is equals to, draw the line, put the plus symbol, addition, and mark the ones column and tens column. Start adding from the ones column. 9 in your mind, 1 on your finger, count after 9, 10. We will not write 10 in the ones column, remember that. Okay. What do we do then? We write 10 to one side, mark ones column and tens column again. Bring this ones column number to the ones column, this tens column number to the tens column. Okay? Now we have finished addition in ones column. Then next we'll go to the tens column. 1 in your mind, 1 on your fingers. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many deers are all together in the zoo now? After 9 joined, it is 20. So what will be the last statement? What will be the last statement? We'll write 3 dots and say this is as therefore total number of deers in the zoo is equals to 20. You will write this 20 here, or the sum you will write here in the final statement. Clear, children? Here they did not give all together or in all or total or sum. They gave you more. More also is addition. Okay, more also is addition. So you have to remember few terms. More, in all together, sum, total. We do addition. Okay. Then you have to frame the statements from this question only. So 11 deers in the zoo. There are 11 deers in the zoo. So we will write, this is the number. So we will write number of deers in the zoo. Okay. Then the second statement will be 9 more joined in. The second statement will be number of deers joined. Or you can write joined in also. Then write 9. So we have to write the numbers and arrange them one below the other. Okay, ones column number you will write in ones column, tens column number you will write in tens column. Then you will write the third statement as number of deers in all. Are there now, he said, no? So all, in all. We will do addition here, no? So we will write in all or all together, or number of deers in total also you can write here. Then add these two rows and write the answer. The final statement what you have to write is therefore total number of whatever he has given, deers, trees, chocolates, biscuits, books is equals to 20. Clear, children? Hope you understood how to do the word problems and how to make the statements from the question itself. You have to frame the statements yourself and you have to write this answer. Clear? Take care.